Greetings and welcome to the Zal office. Today I want to talk about conversion kits that are very popular on our website. What we have here is the Micro Roni. We have a growing selection of MCKs on the website for popular handguns. They all pretty much work the same. You insert your weapon inside, then you push it forward. In this case, there's a latch. The charging handle is here. Space for a flashlight. They all come with Picatinny rails. In the back, you will usually find either a stock or a brace. Our most popular model is the Recover Tactical 2020 minimalistic one. This one comes with the brace, cheek rest. As you can see, we've attached here a micro RDS by Meprolite. Another popular model is the Fab Defense one. As you can see, they all pretty much operate the same way. Here we have flip-up sights. You open it up in the back just like that. You insert your handgun inside, close it up, and that's that. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you to Nicole.